The next step is to add the logic for increasing or decreasing a player's velocity based on if they move to the left or right of the screen. Inside the animate function, inside of here, create an if statement where the condition checks if the right key was pressed and the player's X position is less than proportional size with a base value of 400. So we create here our if, and then inside the parentheses is where we input our condition. The first one would be the accessing the key, the right key rather, if it was pressed. And if we go back, if we go down here, we have here our object named keys with a nested properties. We have properties right key and left key, and both of them are object. The properties of key value pair, pressed and false. So the flow would be we have to access the object first named keys, correct? So we input here our keys. We are telling that JavaScript, hey, you have to access this object first named keys, and then access the right key to check the value. We then use the dot notation, but I think we can also use the bracket notation. But for now, let's use the dot notation. So we access the object keys and then interpolate the right key. And it says end. So this has a two condition. So we use the end. And the player's X position is less than proportional size. So the player's X. So we are now referring to this instantiated object rather than the class. So we don't need to use the keyword this, but rather this variable, correct? So we access the object and then its position, and then the position of the player, and the position would be X. If it is less than the proportional size with a base value of 400. What did I do wrong? Proportional size. That's correct. Oh, we forgot in this part. So we access the object keys. We then access its property, which is an object, but we forgot to access this key value pair. So keys, right key, and then pressed. Okay, that would be it. Nice.